email migration isn't just a technical task, it's a strategic decision that impacts your business's productivity, security, and overall efficiency. While a DIY approach might seem budget-friendly, it comes with significant risks like data loss, extended downtime, and security vulnerabilities. These challenges can disrupt operations and lead to costly mistakes. Professional email migration services offer a seamless solution, providing unmatched benefits. Experts ensure data integrity by securely transferring emails, contacts, and calendars without loss or corruption. They also minimize downtime with a structured approach, enabling your team to stay productive throughout the process. Security is a top priority. Professionals implement robust measures to safeguard sensitive business data from cyber threats, ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. One of the key advantages is customization. Every business is unique, and professional migration services design tailored solutions to meet your specific requirements. Whether transitioning from Gmail to Outlook or adopting Office 365, these experts handle the complexities, so you don't have to. Case studies highlight the effectiveness of professional services. A large retail business with over 500 users successfully transitioned from Google Workspace to Office 365 in just 2 days, with no data loss or downtime. Similarly, a healthcare organization achieved a secure migration while meeting strict compliance standards. For a global startup, professional services ensured a smooth transition to Google Workspace, boosting collaboration across international teams. To ensure a successful migration, best practices are crucial. Start with a detailed checklist to plan the process. Use trusted tools managed by professionals to minimize risks, and conduct thorough testing before going live. Prioritizing security at every step ensures your data is protected and your business remains operational throughout the transition. Professional email migration services are more than a convenience, they are an investment in your business's future. By leveraging expertise, you gain peace of mind knowing your data is secure, your operations are uninterrupted, and your new platform is fully optimized for success. Don't leave your migration to chance. Book a free consultation with our email platform migration experts today and discover customized solutions for a seamless transition tailored to your business needs.